alright, this is our clipper sharpening machine. This is double decker sharpener by Salon Affairs, right? This machine is 2-in-1, as you can see. It is used for clipper sharpening, right? 2 people can operate this machine, or even 4, depending on where they are sitting. So if 2 are standing or sitting here, 2 can be, standing from this other side, or they can stand from here and also be operating this machine. So this machine is very good. It's built based on customer specification, right? We even added extra value to it because the customer is a very nice customer to us, so we have to make him happy, right? So as you can see, this is the rubbing block for the powder and oil application. This is your blade holder. That's our universal blade holder. Let me use it and get clipper blade so you see. You see? With a very strong magnetization. So when you are sharpening, you just go. So it can work both for the comb blade, which is this, that's the big blade, and the cutting blade, which is the smaller blade. So the moment you have this stuff, you go like this, right? So that's how you do. So this machine is very, very okay. This is the stopper, right? So if this machine is in motion, you want to recharge. Recharge means addition of oil and powder. You can off the machine from the power switch, then use this to bring it to a total stop, right? So this is the power switch, right? So for this and for this, see, it's a good one, and it only has one power cord. You see, that's the power cord. So this is a sharpening machine that is built based on a high intelligence, right? So if you want something like this, or even bigger, or I shouldn't say better because this is already good. So if you need something like this, you can just contact us, right, with the number you see on the screen, and we'll always be ready to receive your specifications to build machines based on your choices. So this is the power cord. Now this machine does a lot of work. It's not just about the 2 discs you are seeing here. Let me get these discs out. Now before you want to ask, why is this disc colored? Why is that are stainless? The thing is, the nylon on this has been removed, so this is still intact. It's not going with this machine, so we don't have to remove it. This is for the company, this is for the customer. So this is what is going with it because the customer needs it this way, right? So what you are seeing here is dulling kit. That's the blade dulling kit, right? So this is how it goes. Then you get the knob. Now, if you check these 2 materials for dulling, this is a bit hard and coarse. This is soft, both for dulling. If you get this machine, you can get it this way. Like for this customer, what he wants with this machine is to be dulling here and be sharpening here, right? So let's on this machine to see how it works. Then there is one of these customer in one of these African country. I think this is what you were looking for, because this machine does not just come with a dulling kit, it also comes with the blade cutting kit, right? This is the blade cutting kit. So if you want to cut your blade, sometimes you guys want to cut the big blade, that's the comb blade, so it can set with any clipper that you want to use it with. This is what does the work, right? You use this for the cutting of the blade so that the blade will fit in any clipper. So this is it. You can also remove this and fit this in here, use it and cut your blade effortlessly. So let's on this machine now and see how it works. So on this machine now to see how it works. Mind you, this machine is built by us, Saloon Affairs, from scratch to this finishing that you've seen. So if you want to use this and dull your clipper blade, this is how it goes. I would have taught you guys, but you don't worry, maybe that will be done in our next video. But for now, let's on the machine and see how it works. So if this customer is using this machine, he wants to dull the clipper blade, maybe using the clipper blade on the skin is pricking the skin, or maybe it's harsh on the skin, you can just reduce the teeth and make it smooth so it will be, soft on the skin. So this is how it goes. See, this is on, right? So this clipper blade is painful on the skin. You use the glass pad. Sorry, our customer, for using your machine. I'm only using it. Thank you also will learn from this. So after when you are done using the glass pad, you use the soft pad and go like this. So I'm not supposed to use it because it's somebody's machine, but notwithstanding, the person will also learn. So when you're done, you're off. See? Oh, sorry, our customer. So this is for sharpening. Let's run it. So let me use my blade holder to get my blade. Some of you guys, the way you hold your blade, you hold it in the wrong way. The pressure is added to this other side of the blade, not the back side. Sometimes I see people who hold blade like this and be sharpening. What happened to this place? What happened to this place? It is kept at the center, or better still, if it has to go more to any area, it should be on this other side, because this is where the cutting effect is. So you go like this and add a little pressure. You go like this, just in the line from what I told you people in the other video. Just go like this. Don't romance with this, add little pressure. Sometimes you will be doing like this. It's not like that. You keep it, go back and forth. So that's, I'm not teaching how to sharpen clipper blade now, but I just want to show you guys something. So let's now put the two machines to on. What's this? The both of them are on. Now you guys should clap for Sharpening first. Right? So it's a very good machine. It serves dual purposes, right? So you use this for your dulling and you use this for your sharpening, right? So if you want to cut your blade, right, like I told you people earlier, you remove this and put this one, put this, right? Use it and cut your clipper blades, right? So that's it. So the both of them are on now. If anyone you want to put to a stop, if you are done using the dulling side, the dulling machine side, you bring it to a stop. You stop, you see? Stop. This is still working. If you want to use here, and you want to off here, just bring it to a stop. Right? And on here. Soft. Very soft. People will do that for us again. So that's it. We want you guys to get more of this. Right? Get more of this. And this is just to prove to you guys that we have a lot of prototypes on ground. A lot. The only left for you to, make your order. Tell us what we can do for you. We'll build it exactly the way you want it to be. Saloon Affairs, we are ready to serve you, and we'll always be here to serve you at maximum. Thank you for choosing Saloon Affairs.